Alright guys, so we've tried to vacuum this thing up and it kind of looks better. We're gonna go ahead and remove all of the interior, the seats, the console, the carpet, and I'm gonna make a video of cleaning the carpet for you guys, but I do have another carpet out of a different truck. Now, we have a misfire, so I've put good fuel in it, and I'm seeing that I'm having cycles on misfires. So cylinder number 4, cylinder number 2, and 6, 7. So I don't know. I think it's just part of the old fuel and an injector problem. I've checked my coils. My coils have spark, and it's kind of intermittent and differently. I'm gonna get some seafoam to put in it, see if we can get it running better. But the first step is to get it running better.